are the Common Sense Sisters.
Yes.
To our esteemed subscribers, thank you for going on this journey with us. To those of you who are new, welcome to the family
of the Common Sense Sisters.
For those of you that are on the fence, you are yet to subscribe.
Jump in.
Why? Jump in. Come and take your position.
Yes, and we will see you in the comment section.
Comment, like, share, and subscribe.
Alright, today what are we going to be talking about?
We are going to be talking about exotic Nigerian food in Canada, part 2.
This is the subscribers request edition.
Yes. Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Ella.
My name is Yo-Yo. Ella, give us words of wisdom.
What's of wisdom, Yo-Yo? Okay. Don't worry, I'll tell you. Okay. So, if Lala can say Sarah, where are they going to? Lala Sarah.
Again.
Lala Sarah.
Now which kind drink when you go quench your test for inside traffic? Go
Lala Sarah.
Again, Lala
Sarah.
Again,
Lala Sarah.
I know some of you will be doubting if this is real Sarah.
Original.
Oh, let's shake it up.
We're here to shake this for you. Shake it up. Shake it up. Open her. Small. I hear a move. Oh, wow. Oh. Let's cheers now. Cheers to the good life. Oh, come on, say.
Lala
Sarah. And that's what they used to do in the adverts in Nigeria. That's number one. No, this Sarah. We trekked through mountains, through hills,
through the top,
through everywhere to go find this for you.
Stay tuned,
though. Mama, go worry, ma. How the children?
Laka say, hey, Papu.
Madam, good afternoon,
Anna.
Adeo.
True.
Hey.
How much? Laka say that's scarce for Canada. Who should I shoe?
Madam, we dey sell on you.
Hey. How much Laka say now?
Madam, 300 for one.
Hey.
Yes,
for Laka say?
Yes, ma.
True.
Now for Naira, 300 Naira, madam.
What make you go the Naira for you now?
Madam, I go change the money, no wahala.
For Laka say, I will not block anything for 300 Naira.
Madam, ice block factory, all of the dog close, finish.
Yeah, make I take 150.
Madam, 150. How the children go fish shop now?
True. Why do you want? I'm going to buy ice block now.
I beg, no ice block factory.
For this Canada.
Yes, ma.
True. Now wow.
Oh yeah, madam, I go give you 500. Make a 100 Naira.
I will not take one.
Madam, I go take only one.
Based on say I just come back from Nigeria, say I get some Naira now.
Okay, ma.
I will take one.
So 250.
250. Go green.
I go green, madam. You go please help me step down.
Yes, okay.
Thank ma.
Wow, Papu.
Thank ma.
Hey.
Big madam.
Hey.
Hey, be like say this your clothes fine well.
Hey, your mouth is
Hey, madam.
Hey, I have say you get change, oh.
Madam, be like say go run, go triple, you go collect shit.
You never do shop be triple.
Madam, na store.
You never ready.
Madam, no worry, I go check for change. Madam, sorry, madam. I go check. Sorry, say we dey wrap this like this, so we dey run for tax government force.
So who don't come tax force inside?
Madam, beg, sorry.
You kind of come from that side, come here.
No, madam, but you know as things dey be now. I go check am for you. You know say we go fit get to dey wrap the money.
Since someone don dey hit me now.
Madam, sorry, ma. This
for like I said, when up cold.
Madam, it go cold.
You far change my mind.
You go cold, madam. No, take. I God go bless you.
Amen, oh.
I beg, madam.
Amen, oh.
Papu. Thank ma, beg, ma. You go fit help me step and back up again.
Again.
Madam, beg.
Baby, can I come
madam, now God go bless you. I beg, madam, beg. I feel need your help for this one.
True. Why you don't want to step down for me as I want to help you now?
I for step and that, but you know I not feel half bottle it or two now.
Papu.
Madam, thank
ma. Because we Canada now, I
help you. Now God go bless you, madam.
Yeah, amen.
Thank ma. Hey. Madam, you too much, so.
Yeah.
Thank ma. Hey.
Papu.
Madam, big mommy.
Hey. Bloody Nigeria.
Thanks to Triple E. Africa. African Food Market, close to York University.
Go there.
Where we bought the full carton of La Casera.
Oh, no joke. Oh.
Now God go bless you now for giving us this essential traffic products. La Casera with original NAFDAC number.
Let us show them.
Original. Where they?
You know we don't come here.
You
see here now.
You did there, Sha. You did there. Go and buy and look for yourself.
When you are drinking, you see, it's Nigerian product. You see that symbol? It's
made in Nigeria.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we've shown La Casera enough love. Yo, what's next on the list?
Ella, give us words of wisdom.
You want words of wisdom?
Yes.
Okay. Well, if you wake up in the morning and you are seeking some gold, can we say that you are golden man? Don't leave me. Hey, golden man.
But how are we sure that this golden one is from Nigeria?
Kaduna. It's from Kaduna. You see, this our largest.
My own is Alahadi Blue.
My own is Alhaji Umuru. Yes, this Alhaji. Come from Kaduna.
If you want your child to have a golden life,
golden brain, golden
more.
Golden one is here with Alhaji. Next on the list, we have. Are you ready? The lion of the tribe of sugar. Lion. Yo, give me drum roll. Arise, oh lion sugar, Nigerians call obey.
This sugar,
Cubana.
Yes. This sugar.
You think we're joking? Please. Let's open it for them. Hey, see. Oh.
See the it's too bright.
It's too bright.
Let's bring it out.
A cube at a time. A cube saves 9
time. This sugar, very essential. Again, only in the African state.
The only sugar that does not need advert. This is one of the few products in Nigeria where they don't advertise. But it sells like out. Sells out.
And then this is the only sugar that when you put it in your cup of tea or coffee,
it
dissolves
easily.
It's not they settle for bottom.
No stress at all.
It dissolves. Highly essential.
Very essential.
In a home.
And exotic. Because we also trekked through mountains and forests to find this sugar.
Yes.
Now,
the
next on the list. Yo, you go bring this one from your side now.
Waiting be that protein. When they make your bread, they make salmon quick.
Titus fish. AKA Schnadin.
If you see this Titus,
hey!
Essential for good skin.
The oil. Very essential.
The oil.
Those of you who don't understand, we actually mean oil.
In these sardines, when you match it with agege bread, and you press it, then you toast it. I'll leave you to your imagination.
Next! Well, I will just give you another words of wisdom for free.
Another words of wisdom.
It's not like you're begging me again.
People give us words of wisdom.
If Blue wants to join a band, can we say Blue is Blue Band?
This is one of the exotic spreads.
Because they don't call it butter or margarine. It's a spread.
Yes. So
Blue Band spread.
And this is made in Nigeria. You can see our Nigerian flag here.
Is your country flag on your butter?
Blue Band has lots of vitamins in it. So you have vitamin B.
Can be used for baking. Can be used for agege bread. Can be used for carving biscuits. Check out our last video.
You think it's just the cum? You think it's just the container?
Open it, show them the butter before they will think we put sewing things inside. Can't you see it?
Spread.
Butter. If you mix this one with sardine and put it inside bread and toast it. Next on the list. Well, we have shown the elder brother of this one in our past video. But this is when the elder brother came straight from the cow as a liquid version.
And it is called pick milk. Evaporated pick milk.
A tin of pick milk. Very cute. And highly essential when taking pap, custard, or akamu.
Yes, as Nigerians we call it. Highly essential, filled with lots of
proteins,
vitamins,
proteins and everything.
Proteins, calcium,
vitamin D, they even wrote it here.
Vitamin D,
riboflavin,
all of them. Some
yes, when you use knife to knead the both of them, these two sides,
and then you pour it,
in with the lion of the tribe of Nigeria, the sugar. Put it on top that custard. Oh my God! Or the garri.
Your breakfast.
The story
is not complete.
It's for the brave
without this.
Yeah. Next. This is how easy more sound when they bring that their thing.
You know what this is called? Coconut.
Auntie, tell us.
Coconut.
Auntie, tell us some more.
Candy.
What's soft? Does it mean that there is candy inside, like sweet?
It is a natural sweet now, whereby you grated the fresh coconut and you put it in a hot pan and it makes.
Oh, so you're frying it?
Yes, but it doesn't require oil.
Oh.
It has its own natural oil in it that causes it to become a what? A candy.
So it's sweet on your own. Auntie, can we test? Auntie, it's only you that we test. Can we test?
Let me
Auntie, give me small. Give me small. Thank you.
If somebody is angry with you, give them coconut candy.
Candy!
They will not, I repeat, they will not
be angry with you anymore.
They won't even swear for you. Last but not the least.
Before we even go, you've been watching this video, you've not liked, you've not subscribed.
Cheers.
It's not fair now. No cheers. When you like, we'll cheers to you.
Cheers to you, because I know say you want to watch the video to the end. So I cheers you in advance, for I know you will subscribe.
Yes! Okay. The last but not the least.
We have been to the fountain of Fantas. The Fantas in the plastic bottles, Fantas in the can, but the only Fantas are the ones in the glass bottles. This is what we call
bottle Fanta.
Yes.
And the taste is different.
And you know how we know this is Nigerian brand? Because the 50 naira they inside there. You see this side? Highly exotic. If there's any word.
35 cl. This Fanta. When you drink it, you will feel at home.
Good. You feel good.
You know that the orange that they used to make it is original orange. You know that the orange that they used to make it has seed inside.
It's separate. It's different from the one in the plastic bottle.
Yes, now highly different.
And
or the ones in cans here, very different.
I feel like the sugar that they use to make this Fanta, I feel is this sugar. I feel. Disclaimer. That's how I feel.
Louis.
Okay, guys. I hope and we hope that with these few points of ours, you'll be able to appreciate why we call these food items exotic. Nigerian, or perhaps you say African food.
Oh yeah.
In Canada.
Because we trekked through the sea. Yes, we trekked through the sea.
To get to where we are.
The mountain, the hills. We passed through tunnels to find these essential products for you. And we hope that you enjoy this video.
And with this, we come to the end. But before we go, what do we usually tell them?
We say, make common sense never depart from you. Thank you.
Bye.
We'll see you in the next video.